Hi guys, I'm showing you this Nehura travel portable electric kettle, the small mini coffee tea kettle for the personal fast water boiler with 4 variable presets. So I will show you this one, and this is a 304 stainless steel with auto shut off. Um, it's a BPA free design, so I will show you all these things step by step. So the first impression is really nice, portable, handy kettle, and this says here digital display. This is a electric port that you can use. These are the wattage that how this kettle is. So there is a handle on the top for carryability and the hose for the steam. The cable is inside the kettle. So let me just open. There's a manual. So this is inner all the steel design, and this is a 304 stainless steel. So let us put this power outlet here. One thing will go into the electric socket. Let's put some water in so I can show you the boiling and the settings and everything. So just close it tight. The steam will come from the top. Now you see some holes. So let's see, like when you start this, you on the button. So this is the 212 thing. So right now it is 64 degree Fahrenheit, the water temperature. So you can set it up different modes like 195 or whatever, 145, or the settings. And then once you set the temperature, you can see that the water start boiling. So I will fast forward this so that you can see a quick boiling. It is pretty fast, but I have put little water in it, but I think it will take almost like 4 5 minutes for this one. But if you even fill it completely, should take like 7 8 minutes hopefully. But right now for the demo purpose, I just filled it almost 30 40% around, and you can see the bubbles popping up and start boiling. So when it boiled completely, like the water reaches to the temperature of 212, see it auto shut off. So it's 209, 210, 211, and when the water temperatures come at 212, it is auto shut off. So I see it auto shut off, and now I'm not feeling that the water thing and stuff. So be careful while opening this, because it is all like hot and boiling water, and this looks fine, is all boiled and everything working good. Handy and portable.